Hey everyone, my name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. If you like making money, subscribe to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about uranium. This is a uranium analysis, technical analysis, looking at some charts. And in this presentation, it's going to be about companies that I don't normally talk about, ones that people have brought up in the comments section. They said, hey, let's chart these things out. Some of these I've talked about, or people have talked about on the comment section. Some months ago. So I've been getting them down, writing them down, trying to do research. Some of them are in the Athabasca region. Some other ones are all around the world. But some of them I had difficulty finding charts for. So I just did them in Google Finance. It's about as best as I could get. And they are smaller companies, a lot of these. They are exploration companies for the most part. So they do carry some risk. And again, this is financial education. You guys are going to have to do whatever you want with your own. You're going to have to seek advice from someone else if you want to go into these, or you're going to be responsible for your own actions here. I can't give advice. So this is just financial education, showing you the charts in some of these companies so you guys can get them on your radar if you decide to buy them or if you like them, to do more research. So here is some uranium analysis on some of the less spoken about companies. I'm going to long-term chart some of these less spoken about companies on this channel. Let's see if there are any other investment opportunities out there. Most of these companies are smaller in market cap, and they're exploration companies. So, and some of them are ones that I just don't normally talk about too much. This one is URPTF, Uranium Participation Corp. It's not an exploration company. It's basically a physical uranium holding. But look at this. We broke out to the upside of this very large pattern. It's an uptrend. We broke up to the upside, and it's just sitting there right now above it. We've got lots of volume down here. It is being acquired. So this is looking fantastic for a move to the upside. And again, these are weekly patterns. They're not daily candlesticks. This isn't going to be the next day, the next minute, the next hour. I'm looking at the big long-term moves, the week-to-week, month-to-month moves. This looks fantastic for a big step change to the upside over a long period of time. Here's Cameco. I wanted to get that one out because sometimes I don't chart that. I haven't charted it in a while. This is CCJ, big accumulation down here and a chart break to the upside. This is a downtrend break, quite obvious that it is. And what I would do is, if you like Cameco, you want to get your shares, you just hold on. You just hold on. Don't go in and out. We've broken the downtrend. This is a big multi-decade long break of a chart pattern, and the big move is still coming. Here is Fission 3.0 Corporation. We're still chilling out below the downtrend line, but the good thing is we had a nice blow-off, sell-off bottom here. We're coming up and we're stair-stepping higher into the downtrend line. We've got higher lows, we've got higher highs, and we're going to see if this thing can break through it here. A lot of the time you develop like these cup and handle patterns, then they break. And usually the exploration companies kind of lag the producing companies. Cameco broke out, URPTCF broke out. This is probably going to break out quite soon. We've got some accumulation going on here, some pretty big volume days. So Fission 3.0, I like where it's located, their properties in the Athabasca region. So I think this one might be one to look into. Here's UEXCF, another company up in the Athabasca exploration company. We could see the volume here. Look at the volume accumulating this, just massive. Nice big downtrend break to the upside, looking fantastic in my opinion. This one's looking great. Here's Azincourt. This one's also looking fantastic. Nice downtrend here. We haven't broken the downtrend yet. We popped out. We're kind of back testing. We've got the volume kicking in. We've got nice, big kind of strength, powerful move coming up into it. So I think eventually this is going to break to the upside, just like all the other companies in this sector, which have broken their patterns. So I think Azincourt is looking fantastic. This one's Western Uranium and Vanadium Corporation. Nice downtrend here, broke to the upside. Lots of volume is accumulating this, and it looks fantastic to continue to the upside. So it's a downtrend break, looking great. This one's Alx Uranium. I think this is one that was, I'm trying to remember where this one was at. I can't remember where this one's located, but we do have some volume kicking up here. We have an upward move that is consolidating and compressing like a spring. And we're right there trying to, I think, going to break to the upside, just like all the other companies are breaking to the upside. So that might be one to look into, Alx Uranium Corp. This one's Wealth Minerals. I think they used to have uranium. I still charted it out. I think they sold their uranium assets. It's now more of a lithium company, but this thing's pretty low down here if you like lithium. This is Peninsula Energy. Downtrend break to the upside. It's been chopping sideways. A little bit higher lows in here. This one looks pretty cheap. Probably going to move to the upside eventually. Here's Boss Energy, BQSSF. You can see not much to see here. This is a daily pattern, and it looks like it's just been trading late 2020. But it is coming up. We're in an uptrend pattern. Looking pretty good. Looks like the volume kicked up here recently. So that one might be one to look into. Here's Vyme Resources. Not much data on this one as well. But it is chopping sideways, kind of on a slight uptrend. So that looks fine. And Marenica Energy. Don't know much about this one. This is all I could get on it. So a couple years of data. And that's all we've got right here. So looking at these are the kind of the less spoken about ones. I think they look pretty good. They follow the uranium sector for the most part. If you guys like those, do some further research into it. The charts a lot of them look pretty good. Fresh breakout, downtrend breakouts in some of them. Other ones are about to break out of their patterns, and that's typically where I like to pick things up. So if these look interesting to you, do your own research. Let me know what you guys find on the companies. Leave it in the comment section. Love to hear your opinions on it. I may pick some of these up myself just to further diversify in the sector because I'm a huge uranium bull and I'm going to be riding this commodity bull market up with all of you guys alongside of you. And if that seems interesting to you guys, subscribe to the channel, ride this bull market up with me and the community, and we can help each other out, either finding companies, charting stuff out, when to look at good buying opportunities. And if you guys have any questions on the ability to hold portfolio stuff, you can leave it in the comment section. Maybe some of the people in the community can help you out. Thanks for listening. This is Finding Value.